Hello, and welcome to the Juice Bar. Let's play a game. Which of these have you seen in your sales systems? Data lives in silos, teams working in isolation, decisions based on gut feelings rather than data, growth hits a ceiling, or revenue leaks. I help B2B tech startups and consultancies turn HubSpot into their secret power. My name is Heather Langendorfer, and I'm the founder of Revenue Juice, Chief Growth Strategist and HubSpot Hero. I'm a three-time founder myself with a long history of designing sales systems and enabling sales teams with deep experience at two other long-term funded startups. So when it comes to conserving resources, accelerating speed to market, and building scalable systems, I've got your back. Revenue Juice is a virtual agency and certified HubSpot solution partner. While we can help you find the right HubSpot package for you, our focus is really on enabling sales leaders to identify their top leads, nurture prospects, and successfully convert in high-touch, high-value transactions. We don't just set up tools. We architect complete systems that streamline the handoff between sales and marketing, that leverage technology to align customer experiences and the internal business strategies. We also capture powerful data to drive powerful growth strategies. We do this by following what we call the Juicy framework. So the Juicy framework focuses first on designing a journey that will delight your customers and that aligns with your business strategies and your business processes. So what we ideally want to do is be talking directly to a customer in a way that feels good to them and that they will naturally progress through the experience of working with you. And one of the big pieces is we want to eliminate friction, and this can be in setting improper expectations between you and the client. It could also be a technology that breaks or a disconnect where you do something in one tool and not in another tool, have to go to another tool to do it. So the journey design is kind of focused on that. And then the second piece of that is we want to have as streamlined of a platform as possible. This is often called a single source of truth. But it's a unified platform because every time we bring in a new tool, a new piece, there is a new opportunity for something to get dropped and for it to not function as you would find ideal. Now, the next stage is making sure that there is adoption among your team. Because when your team understands the mission and how to use the tools, they're going to be engaging and therefore creating this impact. Third or fourth in the Juicy framework is this clear strategy. So we've got this clear strategy, and we get there by gathering data, by watching what people are doing and continually making data informed decisions. And the last piece of this is that it is a continuous process. And so we are continually taking the data, reviewing, evaluating, auditing, optimizing, partly because we can get better, partly because new technology is always in process, and partly because the markets change, the competitors change. And so we need to continually be evaluating and evolving. And when we do that, what we can see is we're going to see some pain points that go away. We're going to see accelerated time to revenue, better quality leads that therefore have higher conversion rates, and we're going to have better visibility into your future pipeline, which allows you to allows your operations team to better forecast and plan, your finance team to know what's coming in financially. So that's kind of how we do that. And what we like to do is, if you're interested, we invite you to take the Vitality Assessment, which is the first, and it's a free step that allows you to just evaluate where you fit on each of the 5 categories so that you will have a clear idea of what your next best step is. And you can find that here at revenuejuice.com/vitality. So from there, you'll have the opportunity to do it yourself. Take that one next best thing There's a low offer that you can join in and get started, and this is a DIY offer. But what most of our clients will do is we'll take a clarity call, and from there we'll move into a fresh press or a quick squeeze, which are very, very similar, done for you intensive style options. The fresh press is more strategic focused, and the quick squeeze is more technology focused. But we will get started from there and would love to hear from you. So each week we release a strategic discussion. And here, so follow along, because here we also are going to be showing you how to avoid revenue leaks using by optimizing your revenue tech stack, particularly in the HubSpot platform. And here it'll be tutorials, implementation guides, and you'll learn the easiest hacks to turn revenue leaks into the juiciest pipeline you can imagine. So subscribe here, and if you want to see how your tech stacks up, take the Juicy assessment and start building your juicy pipeline. Thanks for now. See you next week. Bye-bye.